My name is Connie Stahl. My granddaughter was engaged to Tom, and I feel just terrible. It was his time. It isn't really what I wanted for her. I'm very happy this happened to him.
Do you think that other motives were involved?
You know, stuff happens. And I think, he was not a very nice person. But on the other hand, she loved him. And hopefully she will get over him and come around. But now she has a chance. She has a chance to move on and just start a new life with maybe a new person. But I'm just waiting for this to pass.